Welcome back to my channel. Guess what today's topic is? Yes, in today's video, I'm going to share some simple yet incredibly effective tips I've learned to save time in the kitchen. If you've ever felt that preparing dinner and daily meals is a burden, especially when balancing work and family care, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to make cooking easier, save more time and less stressful, all while maintaining health and convenience. Let's dive in. All right, first and foremost, I prepare meals and order groceries just once a week. Planning meals is truly the first crucial step, the initial challenge you need to overcome if you're having trouble getting meals on the table. When you sit down to plan your meals for the week, you know exactly what you're eating every single day. You'll never find yourself at 9 a.m., noon, or 4 p.m. wondering what's for dinner. You know because you planned it out the previous week. This also allows you to purchase groceries for the entire week since you know exactly what you need. It helps you avoid overbuying. If you've ever gone to the grocery store without a solid plan or just a rough idea of what to cook, you tend to buy too much and come home with items you don't need or already have. This just clutters your kitchen, makes it less efficient, and wastes more of your time. Meal planning also means scheduling it on your calendar. I usually plan our meals on weekends. By Sunday night, my grocery list is ready for online ordering and Monday pickup. You can plan it on Saturday and use Sunday for food prep. Meal planning makes tasks recurring and ensures they get done. This helps me list everything I need to accomplish. One of the most effective cooking tips is to prep your ingredients in advance. On the day you do your grocery shopping, take some time to wash, chop, and prepare your vegetables, meats, and seafood. Then, store them in airtight containers to ensure they stay fresh and are easy to use. Don't forget to label the containers with the date to make it easy to take them out and cook. This not only saves you time throughout the week, but also makes your daily meals quick and convenient. When everything is prepped and ready, you can simply grab and start cooking without spending extra time on preparation. This is especially helpful on busy days when you need a quick meal that is still nutritious. Moreover, prepping ingredients in advance helps you stick to your planned menu, minimize food waste, and make the most of the ingredients you've purchased. Try this tip, and you'll find that cooking becomes much easier and more enjoyable. Number 3. This is why I believe meal planning is incredibly beneficial. One of the easiest ways to accumulate unnecessary items is to shop without a plan. You might find yourself thinking, "I'll grab this just in case we need it for dinner," or "I'll get this in case we need a quick breakfast." However, if you have a clear meal plan for the week, these just-in-case purchases become unnecessary. Reducing clutter in your pantry and fridge not only saves space, but also makes it easier to find what you need and prevents food waste. Furthermore, meal planning allows you to buy in bulk more effectively, saving you money in the long run. It also helps you create a balanced diet, since you can plan meals with a variety of nutrients. By knowing exactly what you need, you can avoid impulse buys and stick to your grocery list. This method also saves time, as you won't need to make multiple trips to the store throughout the week. Number 4. Choosing ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes throughout the week is a great way to optimize cooking and save time. For example, roasted chicken can be used in salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries. Vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and onions can be used in soups, stir-fries, or as pizza toppings. By selecting versatile ingredients, you not only reduce the number of items you need to buy, but also minimize food waste. Additionally, this approach allows you to be flexible with your meal plans without having to purchase a lot of new ingredients. Basic staples like rice, pasta, chicken, and various vegetables can be transformed into a variety of dishes, ensuring your meals are always diverse and nutritious. Another tip I've found incredibly helpful since I got better at meal prepping is doubling the recipes I make. By freezing one portion, I'm not always preparing 5 dinners each week. For example, 2 weeks ago, I made a double batch of a dish, so now I just have to pull it out of the freezer the night before we need it. Once you get into this routine, you'll find that you have so much more prepared and ready to go. Recently, I made chicken taco roll-ups for my kids and prepared extra to freeze. Now, about 2 hours before dinner, I can take them out, pop them in the toaster oven, and they're ready. Dinner is served. So, whenever I'm cooking, I consistently ask myself if this can be doubled and frozen. Number 6. Lately, one of my favorite kitchen tools is the multi-function rice cooker. It's an amazing device that saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Not only does it cook rice, but it can also steam vegetables, make porridge, and even cook stews. With its versatile functions, you can prepare a variety of dishes using just one appliance. For example, while cooking rice, you can simultaneously steam vegetables in the upper tray. This not only saves time, but also retains the flavor and nutrients of the food. You can also use the multifunction rice cooker to make porridge in the morning, providing you with a quick and nutritious breakfast. With a multifunction rice cooker, cooking becomes much simpler and more convenient. You just need to put the ingredients in the cooker, select the appropriate setting, and let it automatically cook the food. There's no need for constant supervision, allowing you to spend your time doing other things. Tip number 7. Using multi-purpose cutting tools. Investing in multi-purpose cutting tools helps you save time and optimize your cooking process. Devices like slicers, blenders, or grinders can help you prepare ingredients quickly and easily. Instead of spending a lot of time chopping, peeling, and mincing food by hand, you can use these tools to get the job done efficiently. For example, when you need to slice vegetables for a salad or mince garlic and onions for a stir-fry, you can use a multi-purpose slicer to do it quickly and evenly. Blenders and grinders also help you make sauces, smoothies, and stews effortlessly, saving time and effort. A tip that is both time-saving and convenient is to clean as you cook. While preparing and cooking meals, wash utensils, wipe surfaces, and put away ingredients you've finished using. This habit saves time and effort when it comes to cleaning up after cooking. For example, while waiting for water to boil or food to cook, wash the knives, cutting boards, and dishes you've just used. After chopping vegetables, immediately wash the knife and cutting board, dry them, and put them away. When you finish cooking, you'll find your kitchen much tidier, allowing you to relax and enjoy your meal without worrying about a big cleanup afterward. This way, your kitchen stays organized and you avoid facing a large mess after your meal. Optimizing your cooking tasks not only gives us more time to take care of ourselves and our families, but also allows for more relaxation time. Hopefully, these tips will help you feel more confident in the kitchen and enjoy delicious meals with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the next helpful videos. See you in the next video.